morning, students. After COVID pandemic, we have started. This is the first class. Our subject is computer. In computer subject, the first lesson for 9th standard is web browser. You people already know in every system is definitely installed the web browser. For what purpose the web browser is using? For using the web browser to collect the information. To collect the information in the internet, or you want to download some files or some softwares in a computer to use the web browsers, right? In web browsers, in this class, for this topic, what we have to know: what is a web browser, and what is there in a web browser, and who developed the web browser, right? And when it will develop. First thing, what is there in web browser and what is the web browser? Right. More to the topic. A web browser is called a web. The web is consist. Okay. The web is consist immeasurable. That means we can't measure the information. We can't measure the information. Immeasurable worldwide collection of documents. Immeasurable worldwide collection of documents. What are the documents, or what are the information is there in a worldwide? What are the document? What are the information is there in a worldwide? The every information is the immeasurable, right? You can't measure the information, right, in this world. That information is a collection of document is called as a web pages or pages. Understand? The web consists of immeasurable worldwide collection of documents. Worldwide collection of documents. What we are called? We call as a web pages or a pages. Right? For each web page, for each pages, okay, for each pages, it contains the links. In each page, it contains the link to other page. For each page, what it contains? It contains the links. You know the links, right? www.google.com is one of the link, or Facebook is one of the link. Your Gmail also is one of the link. Okay. For each link to other page, it contains the links to other page. These links to other page anywhere in the world. For what are the links is there, it will connect to the other pages. It will connect anywhere in the world. Suppose we have opened one link in our country, means it will connect to the another country. In anywhere in the world, it will connect to the another link. We can also open the Americans links in India. Okay. For each link to connect to other page anywhere in the world. For each page means the web pages. The web pages are viewed with a program. Whatever we are seeing in a web browsers, what we are seeing in a web browsers, we call it as web pages. Right? For that web pages, we viewed with a program. We can view with a program. Without program, we can't view the web pages. In behind of that web page, we are created, or we are creating the programs, right? For that programs, what we have called browser. Using the programs, we create the browsers. Understand? Yes. For each page, we with a program. For what are the pages? What are the web pages we have seen in a browser? That every web page is created using programs. Okay, using the program, we created the web page. For that web page, we call as a browser. Understand? Pages are viewed with a program, we call as a browser. A web browser. Now this is topic, okay? The web browser is a software package. What are the web browser is there? The web browser is a software package. That means what are softwares is there? We can download any software. We can download the any softwares or any application softwares. We can download it to the web browser. That's why we call it the web browser is a software package. Any kind of software we can download it in a web browser. Or it's a program. It's a program that display the what it will display. The web browser is display the HTML pages. You know the HTML, right? The HTML means hypertext. The HTML means hypertext markup language. That's right. Web browser is a software package. The web browser is a software package or program that display. The program that display what it will display? It will display the HTML pages, hypertext markup language pages. Understand, right? We are using HTML programming language, hypertext markup language. We are using created the what we are created using HTML programming language. Created the web pages. In before previous class in 8th standard also you learned. You learned, right? How we are using the HTML programming language. Using HTML language, we created the web pages that web browser is displayed. Okay, what we are created using HTML programming to create the web pages. That program is displays the HTML pages. Understand, right? Yes. What is this? The web consists of the immeasurable worldwide collection of documents. We call as a web pages, and it will in each page is contains the links. In every page is there a link to other pages in anywhere in the world, and pages are viewed with a program. The pages every web page is viewed with a program. Without a programming language, without a program, we can't see any web page. Okay, we can't see any web page. For viewed with a program that called as a browser, and a web browser is a software package or that program that display the HTML web page. That program will display the HTML pages. Okay, HTML, you know, right? Hypertext markup language. Understand? What is that web browser is displays the what it will displays HTML pages, right? HTML pages is displays. In HTML pages, what it will contain? What is in HTML pages? Okay, in HTML pages containing the text. Okay, in HTML content it contains the text, graphics, audio, video files, and links. What HTML pages contain? It contains the text, graphics, audio, and video files, and links to various other web pages. That means in web page, these are the containers. These contains text, graphics, audio, and video files, and links to various other web pages. What are the text, graphics, and audio files is there? It will contain. It will connect to the various other web pages. Various other web pages means in anywhere in the world. These are the common things. These contains the web pages. In everywhere you can open the link means. You open the web browser means or web page means. These are the main things in containing the web pages. Right? What are the it contains? It contains the text, graphics, and graphics, audio, and video, and links to the various web pages in World Wide Web. You know, right? World Wide Web. What is the www? We call as the World Wide Web. Understand? In World Wide Web, the web pages is contains the text, graphics, audio, video files, and links to the various web pages. Understand? A web browser. What is this web browser? Is there? Okay. A web browser is defined. How we are defined? A web browser is defined as special communication program. The web browser is a special communication program. It is a special communication program. Why we are called web browser is a special communication program means that reads, and this means what is the special communication program is there? It can read and interprets HTML documents. What are the HTML documents is there? Everything is interprets. Okay, interprets in the web pages. That's why the web page, the web browser is a special communication program. The web browser is a special communication program that reads and interprets the HTML document in where it will where it is there in the World Wide Web. www means it is a World Wide Web. Everything is interprets HTML documents in the World Wide Web. Now, who is developed the web browser and when it is developed? Okay, the web browser is developed the first person, Mark Anderson. The Mark Anderson is the first person. The Mark Anderson is the first person who developed the first web browser. He is the first person. What is the name of the person? Mark Anderson. Mark Anderson is the first person who developed the first web browser. What is the web browser? What is the first web browser means? Okay, the name as Mosaic. Okay, the Mosaic web browser is developed the Mark Anderson. When it is developed in 1993. In 1993, the Mosaic web browser is developed by Mark Anderson. Okay, when it is developed, at National Center. Is developed at where? It is developed. Is developed at National Center. Is developed National Center. For what purpose is developed means supercomputing application. To work supercomputing application, for that reason is developed the first web browser. The web browser name is Mosaic. Okay. Later the Mark Anderson left the organization. He left the organization after he established his own company. He established his own company. What is that company name is Netscape Communication Corporation. His own company is established Netscape Communication Corporation. When it is established in 1995. In 1995, the Mark Anderson is established his own company. The company name is Netscape Communication Corporation. Okay, in 1995 he has established his own company. In this company, they developed the new future web browser. What is the new future means? That is a powerful and user friendly. Okay, what is that? Netscape Communication organization is there. That corporation is developed the new web browser. That the name is, what is that name is? Netscape Navigator web browser is developed. The web browser is Netscape Navigator. Netscape Navigator. They have developed the new web browser. This Netscape Navigator is powerful and user friendly for all the persons. Understand, right? Netscape Navigator. They have developed the new web browser. This is a powerful and user friendly. Understand? This is the main contents of the. He is the person. Is developed first person. Is developed. Mark Anderson is the first person. Is developed the first web browser. That is the Mosaic. And after later he left that company. He established a new company. That name is Netscape Communication Corporation in 1995. In that company, they have developed the new web browser. That is a powerful and user friendly web browser. That is the Netscape Navigator. Netscape Navigator web browser they are developed. Okay, understand, right? These are the main things in web browser. In next class, what are the types of web browsers and what purpose we are using and how to use the web browsers. In next class we will discuss. Okay, thank you.